So hello students. So in the ongoing series of online classes, let us today study a poem, The Squirrel. So you may have seen a squirrel sitting on the ground eating a nut. What did it look like? Here is a poet's description of such a squirrel. This poem Squirrel is written by Mildred Bowers Armstrong. So let us read the poem. He wore a question mark for tail, an overcoat of grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play, and if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. So in the first line, the poet says, he wore a question mark for tail. You can see in the picture also, the poet wants to say that the tail of a squirrel looks like a question mark. Whenever a squirrel sits and eats a nut, its tail rises up, the squirrel raises up the tail, and at that time there is a bend in the last of the tail, and the tail looks like a question mark. An overcoat of grey. A squirrel has a fur of grey color. That is why poet says the squirrel has an overcoat of grey color. He sat up straight to eat a nut. You must have seen that whenever a squirrel eats a nut, it sits straight and then eat that nut. He liked to tease and play. Squirrel likes to play very much. He likes to tease other squirrels as well as his friends and children also. So squirrels likes to tease and play. They like running around on the tree, from one branch to another branch, from a tree to wall, from a wall to tree. So they like to tease and play. If we ran around his tree, the poet says that if we go around his tree, he went the other way. The squirrel gets scared and run away from there. So this was the explanation, and let me tell you the short summary of the poem. In this poem, the poet describes how a squirrel covered in grey fur was sitting on a tree branch in an upright position to eat a nut. Its tail seemed to be a question mark because of its beautiful band. The happy and lively squirrel was playing with the poet and her friends. Whenever they ran around the tree, it would run to the other side of the tree. The poet tells us about the nature of the squirrel, that it is very active, cheerful, and innocently naughty, but gets scared when someone comes too near it. So students, I hope you have understood the poem very well. If you have any query, question, you may talk to me. Thank you students.